purpose. And we even had a call that we didn't get to yesterday. I thought about it all day. I wish I'd have gotten to it. The guy's point was, look, the way you've explained this, Trump should have just copped to everything and used your explanation for why he's done all this, and everybody would understand. And they would if Trump were to simply say, if he had said at any point, laid out what he found in Ukraine when he became president, and then why he did what he did, including sending Rudy, including trying to make sure there was no further corruption before handing over U.S. dollars, and before demanding evidence that they had cleaned up the corruption in Ukraine. It would make perfect sense to everybody. Which is why so many people are using elements of my explanation yesterday and incorporating it into their analysis today. If you missed it, I'm going to go through it again today. It's the kind of thing that repetition will not hurt. It will only help further understanding. Unlike others, I've taken notes. I've watched what happened here this morning. The Democrat debate last night. All you need to know about the Democrat debate last night. I can tell you all you need to know about it. If the Democrats in these Schiff hearings had made any progress toward actually proving that Donald Trump has committed bribery or impeachable offenses, that is all that debate would have been about last night. But that debate had an opening series of a couple of questions and perfunctory answers, and they moved on to the communism that they now believe in. The amount of time spent on impeachment last time was barely perfunctory, which tells you that there has not been a stop, not even a double. Schiff hasn't hit a double yet. But if you're watching cable news networks, I'm sure you think that Trump's about nailed to the wall now, depending on when you tune in and depending on when you tune out. These two witnesses today are like all the others that have come before us. They are really, really full of themselves. They really, really like themselves. They really, really think that their excrement does not smell. These people think that